back to my channel with Life with Almana. So today's video, we are gonna be on the Italian side today and cook some chicken Alfredo, fettuccine Alfredo actually. And yeah, so guys, actually I don't know myself, never made this before, and I got this recipe online and we're gonna see how it tastes, how it turns out, because I'm curious and I really love this dish, but I never make it myself. So today we're gonna try and let's see how it goes. So guys, the video I'm actually using is this one on YouTube called Natasha's Kitchen, and I'm doing all the steps she is doing, like the same exact except for one thing, and that's mushrooms, because we don't do mushrooms here, and what's the point? So we're just not gonna do it, okay? Ingredients for this fettuccine pasta is obviously fettuccine pasta. You need to get, it needs to say fettuccine, you know, and then chicken breast, boneless because you don't want any bones in your pasta, and then 1 whole onion, cilantro or parsley, and 4 or 3 garlic cloves, and most importantly heavy milk, half and half, and or creamy or heavy cream, you know. And then we need a lot of butter and salt. And so guys, the first step is to boil the pasta, the fettuccine. And yeah, so boil it and keep it on the side when it's all cooked. So guys, like I said before, the first step is to put the pasta into the hot water. And I already put the salt, and now I'm putting the oil. And now the fettuccine pasta goes in. I'm actually not going to break it. I'm just going to keep it as a whole. There you go. I'm going to mix it.
My mom's recipe for chicken fettuccine Alfredo.
Okay, so guys, we are going to cut the chicken breast into little pieces or to thin slices. I'm doing into 3 because I don't like it too like fat or too much, like too thin. So I'm going to do into 3 for all of them and then start cooking it. Step, we are going to cook the chicken, and we're going to add the oil first. And then I'm actually going to use this so it doesn't get scratched. And then we're going to add the chicken, the boneless chicken. Okay. And then it's really simple. All we're going to add more is black pepper, like 1 teaspoon. And then salt, the same. So guys, now we are going to cut the cilantro into really thin pieces. So the video was using parsley, but for me, I'm just using cilantro. It's all up to you. Guys, now we are going to make the sauce, and the first step to make the sauce is a process. But the first step to make the sauce is put the onions into the hot oil. And now we're going to stir it. And now we are going to add the butter, look how much we're using, and we're just going to add it. Next is the main ingredient. We're going to add the half and half or heavy cream, and we're just going to add it and keep mixing it. And then after it's a creamy texture, then we're going to add the other stuff, the pasta and chicken. We're just going to mix. So guys, the wait is finally over and our mixture creamy. It's so creamy, guys. Look, we added the chicken, we added the cilantro. It is so creamy, you can see. And now we're gonna add the main part, the fettuccine noodles, into the mixture. We're not gonna we made actually a lot, but we're only gonna put a reasonable amount. And we're gonna put 1 more. That should be good, and we mix it now. And I actually forgot to tell you guys, but we are going to actually add some Parmesan cheese too. It is the best part, the time to eat the best, delicious food, and we're going to test it, you know, as every cooking video, we got to test it. guys. Just look how it looks. Can we admire my work? Like, just look at it. Right. We had the chicken, we had the cilantro, we had the cheese. Okay. Guys, so good, guys. It's so good. Like, guys, I'm really not like lying. It's actually really good. You need to try it. Please try it and let me know if you do this. Please. It's really good. And let me know. So thank you for watching today's video. Subscribe, like, and you know what to do. And let's stay tuned for the next video.